Hello everybody! Today I'm going to show you how to set up the SVGator MCP and what you can do with its help. So let's get started. The SVGator connector plugs SVGator straight into your AI assistant. Now you can browse, edit, and export your projects just by chatting. No clicking through the editor. It works with any AI assistant that supports a custom MCP server. Here's how fast it is to add. We'll use Anthropic's Claude as an example, but the steps are similar for every model. In Claude, open Settings, go to Connectors, and click Browse Connectors. Search for SVGator, then click Connect. Claude opens a browser window. Sign into SVGator and approve access. That's it. The connector now shows as connected, and the SVGator tools are live in your chats. Prefer a custom setup? Add it as a custom connector with this URL. One quick tip. For the smoothest experience, use the MCP with a coding agent, Claude Code, Codex, Gemini, or Grok Build. Create your assets from just a prompt. Describe your animation and let the MCP handle the rest. The SVGator MCP can build entire projects from scratch, but its true strength is in editing your existing assets. In order to create the most realistic animations, the SVGator MCP has built-in skills to enhance motion in your projects. These skills trigger automatically when the AI deems it necessary, depending on the prompt. However, you can also activate them manually by including it in the prompt. Here's an example. Same prompt, same animation. One made with the motion skill, one without. Watch the difference. Edit an existing project through the SVGator MCP and leave the repetitive work behind. Create color variations or apply new color palettes to your projects. Just explain what needs to change and watch the magic happen. Resize an element, or even multiple elements in your scene without even opening the app. Just prompt it and watch it get done. Fine-tune easings and reshape how elements move. When the motion feels off, stiff, mechanical, just wrong, let the MCP and the motion skill fix it. It will make any motion feel natural. You don't have to be a motion wizard anymore to make animations that look incredible. The MCP works perfectly with our new template library. Pick a template, drop your assets into the asset library, and watch it come together. To get the most out of it, have your assets ready, optimized, and clearly named. Then, choose your template and write the prompt. Tapping into the template library and making it yours has never been this easy. Last up, bulk export. No more exporting and re-exporting projects one by one. With the SVGator MCP, export multiple projects in multiple formats with any requirements you name, all from a single prompt. So you get your time back for the things that matter, like a coffee break.